Hello everyone, I'm the teacher of Quickworks software. Now we will explain the operation of software. First, the software can draw the design drawing, and then generate the CNC equipment can recognize the punching holes, slotting, cutting board, and other documents, complete the production processing. The software includes such functions as order management, financial audit, production management, outgoing, product, and system management. Now, let's demonstrate how the software can complete the process from design drawing to motion. First, we can click the order management and then click here new. And then confirm it. In the current interface, you can click on any cabinet, put oneself in another's position, such as wardrobe. Enter the actual space size. After selecting the corresponding material and hardware according to need, select it, click here, and then we can click here, choose area like this. It can show the width, depth, and height. And then click the space dividing line. In the menu bar, and then divide the current space according to the function. For example, we do a set of wardrobe, upper part of the top cabinet, the bottom place cabinet, and we can operate like this. We can choose the model. You can directly add a preset model, and you can modify the model like this. And so on. After the drawing, click the Show or Hide the whole slot to check whether it meets the process requirement of your factory. We can see the hole, and the red line means slotting. After checking, we can click Save to save the drawing. If you need to view the report, click the Export to export the required file for format. And then turn off the current interface, and you can see that the current order status is displayed as normal. After the user confirms the drawing, we can click the Submit button to enter the next step. Now we can enter the financial audit. Click OK. And then enter the production management. We can choose the order. Next. In the discharge panel interface, check just generate batch number will automatically according to the order information. And click the calculation. Enter the production optimization system. Now it shows the process of plate optimization. After optimization, click here. Now we can see that after the completion of the automatic optimization, layout contains the information such as puncture holes, slotting, cutting, and then we can click here to finish the complete the process data export. In order to easy to distinguish between board piece of information, for example, which board belong to which order, export code later. Click on here. Next, turn off the production system. Enter the last process. Exit the outgoing management and complete the packaging and shipping operations. The content of the current operation can sweep through code gun, scan the barcode on the panel, query various leg of panel, and print packaging information and the whole software process. Thank you.